So hello guys, welcome. Today we'll see working of weather facsimile from the JRC receiver. I'll show you how to operate this and how to receive frequency from Admiralty of. So let's start.
So now for weather facsimile, we have to open this ALRS volume 1345. Double click, open it. So after this, so these are the sub icons which are selected over here. If those are selected, you just have to unselect them, as I'm unselecting them now, and make sure only this radio fax icon is selected, because once it is selected, it will show you all those stations which are giving weather facsimile information, or all those stations which are giving weather reports. So as I've selected this, my ship position is over here in New Zealand, so I'll check. This is Auckland. So from this station I have to get weather information. Double click, open this. So this is the one. Now for each station, it shows which area does it cover. Like for example, if I'm seeing Auckland, I can go to its index. It has a map. It shows that this information, it covers this area and this area as well. So for every station, let me just show you more. Like for example, Olympia, that is in Medi. If I double click over here, it has a map, like which area does it cover, and in there it is always divided A, B, C, or it will be something named. Same for example, if I have to show US side New Orleans, I'll double click. Here you can see they have given numbering instead of alphabets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Till which area does it cover, the station. So let's come back to our Auckland. First let us see Auckland. So if I come over here, now I've seen that it covers full New Zealand, and also there is another report which will cover Australia and New Zealand, and much more greater area than that. Now here it has shown designator A, B, C, D, E. If we come down, these are the transmission time during which the station will be transmitting weather message, and it is just the coding which they have given. Like B, at this frequency it will be transmitting at 00 hours this report. Sir, Pacific mean sea level prognosis report, which will be transmitting at 00. C, at this frequency it will be transmitting at this hour. Is for this frequency it will be transmitting at these hours. So as per hours, they have also given frequency. Like if your ship is far, for example, if my ship was not present in New Zealand, it was further away from New Zealand, and I wanted the information for New Zealand. So it's just a simple thing that how far we are, we have to select the higher frequency or the greater frequency. So if I was far, I would have chosen the higher frequency. If I'm in New Zealand itself, I can choose any one from these two because these are the closest one. Now as my ship is in New Zealand, so I only want the information with respect to this New Zealand itself, so I will select this area. So I want information for this T and Z. I'll come back. Now here it shows map area T and Z. It is showing mean sea level analysis. At these timings it is sending. At 3 o'clock it is sending on B frequency, which is over here. At 3:15 it is sending on this frequency. So that's how we select it. Now just to show you more example, if Olympia, let's say my ship position was here, just departed Suez Canal, and I wanted the weather information for this. So I'll open this Olympia, as this is the only station over here. I'll open this, go to its map, select the map. Okay, so as it shows over here, A, B, so these are the maps which highlight most of the information, which covers most of the area. So either A or either B we can choose. So let's say I would choose B map, and I want information with respect to B map. So here it says B map 30-hour sea state prognosis. It will be transmitting at 0921 GMT. These are all GMT, and here it only has 2 frequency, as we have seen in Auckland. Instead of that, it has only 2 frequency. On those frequency it will be transmitting. Now here in this case, if they have not mentioned specifically that they are transmitting on this frequency or that frequency, that means they are transmitting on both of the frequency at the same time. For area B, if for the map B, if I want 30 hours T state prognosis at 0921, I must select the higher frequency as my ship position would be too far. So I would select this frequency. And same, if I want 48 hours prognosis for B map at 0957 I will select this frequency. Each station has its own type, own map, own time of sending information. So you can, once you are on board, you can check, open them, read which time they are sending, which frequency they are sending on, how they are sending. Like this, as we Northwood, it is not showing map area. So let's see Northwood. So in Northwood, which is over here, so in Northwood you can see it is only it has only one map. At all times it will be giving information for throughout this area. So that's why it does not have any map area ID. Depending now which information we want, gale warning, ocean fronts, 24-hour sea swell, at those timings we must switch on our weather facsimile and frequencies. So that's it with this. So if you want to learn more about this, then you have to open your ALRS volume 1345, select the stations, open them. Once you start reading them, how they are sending information, which all maps are there, then you would understand it much better. Now let's say I want to find the weather for this area, as my ship position is over here. So I'll open Auckland weather facsimile, go to index, check the map. As my position is over here, my ship position is over here, so I will choose this area TNZ. I'll come to radio facts. Then for TNZ, which is the closest DMT to your position and which type of information you want. So let's say this, I want to put this frequency 9459 frequency. I want to add this kilohertz in my weather facsimile. So this is my weather facsimile, 𝐤𝐴. From here we have to switch it on. That's it, and it is ready. Now when it shows waiting for start signal, that means it is on auto mode. To put it on manual mode, where by manual I mean where we have to manually enter the frequency. Put manual. Now it will ask this 576 by 120. So come over here. Now each station you will open, you can always see the drum speed is 570, 120 by 576, 120. Let me just show you any station. You can open any station, any random station if you want, like Olympia. Here drum speed is 120 by 576 and so on. Any station you can open. Cape Naval, drum speed is 120 by 576. So all the stations. Now I want to enter this frequency 9459 at this drum speed. So with IOC button you can change this 288 or 576. So I need 576. Now here with the scan button you can change 60, 90, 120. So I need this. Now here, now once this is done, now you have to enter the frequency 94590, and that's it. Once you enter the frequency, leave it like this. If there is a weather message from here, from this frequency, you will start receiving over here. That's it. It is that simple. We don't have to do anything. If I press this again, it will go to automatic signal. If I press this, it is on manual mode. That's it.